Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious virgin mojito without Sprite or soda. First, gather about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and 2 to 3 lime wedges. Place them into a sturdy glass. Now, gently muddle the mint and lime together. This step is crucial for releasing the aromatic oils from the mint and the tangy juice from the lime, creating the base of your refreshing drink. Next, it's time to add some sweetness. You can use 2 teaspoons of simple syrup, or if you prefer, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Stir it well to dissolve the sugar. Then, fill your glass completely with ice cubes. Packing the ice firmly helps keep your drink colder longer and provides a great texture as you sip. Now for the main liquid component. Instead of soda or Sprite, we'll use still water. Carefully pour the water over your muddled mint, lime, and ice, filling the glass almost to the top. This keeps the drink light and refreshing, allowing the natural flavors to shine without the added fizziness or sweetness of a carbonated beverage. Finally, give your mojito a gentle stir to ensure all the flavors are well combined. For a beautiful presentation and an extra burst of aroma, garnish your glass with a fresh mint sprig and a thin slice of lime. Your homemade virgin mojito, free of Sprite and soda, is now ready to be enjoyed. Cheers to a refreshing, simple, and delicious drink.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.